Hello, I'm gonna show you how to make Boeuf Bourguignon or beef burgundies. First, you're gonna melt the bacon fat with butter. Remove the bacon and add your beef in with some sauce to taste. After turn deeply brown, set it aside. In the same pan, caramelize the onion and garlic with butter. Transfer the beef fats to the pan. Pour in some wine and bring it to a boil. Reduce the liquid by half to concentrate the flavors and cook off the raw alcohol bite. Gonna use slow cookers to tender my beef stew. Or you can keep cooking with a pot on an original stove. Add oregano leaves and thyme leaf into your stew and add some beef stock cube with some water in it. Cook in the slow cooker for 3 hours. Don't forget to add some sauce to taste. After 3 hours, add carrot, potatoes, and mushrooms into your pot and keep cooking until they tender as well. This is my stews after 4 hours of cooking in total. For a smooth finish, shift the flour directly into your stew, whisk constantly to prevent clumps and allow the sauce to thicken gradually to a rich, even texture. And voila, enjoy!